On Actros 2, models W930, W932, W933, W934. Removing the bumper. On models with autonomous intelligent cruise control, the cap must be removed. Unscrew the two bolts for the cover, take off the cover and remove the plug underneath. Next, open the front flap so that you can tilt the cab. Before tilting, the caps on the headlamp cleaning system must be removed. Pull the nozzles out of the bumper with the aid of a plastic wedge. Now the covers can be removed easily. After removing the caps, tilt the cab all the way forward. When the cab is tilted all the way down and secured, the remote control is tidied up so that it does not get in the way. Use a plastic wedge to lever these caps out of the bolt holes. Unscrew the upper bolts on the door sill trim. The trim between the door and the bumper is now loose and can be lifted off. The top two mounting bolts of the bumper can be reached. The bottom bolt in the bumper, at the bottom step, must be unfastened. The headlamp cleaning system must be removed. First unscrew these two bolts. When the system has been detached, the spray hose can be disconnected. Remove the hose from the cable ties fastening it to the bumper. The entire procedure must be repeated for the other side. Tilt the cab back to the driving position. Next, swing the headlamps outwards. Use a Torx driver to undo the release bolts and the headlamp can be swung to the side. Now disconnect the compact plug of the headlamp and attach the two plugs behind the opening in the bumper. Information: don't forget to release the cables on the bumper from the cable ties using pliers. When you have done the same on the other headlamp, it is time to get down into the pit. From underneath it is easy to reach the two bottom mounting bolts on the bumper. Now the bumper is only hanging by the 4 bolts around the front towing coupling. Flip up the top cover and take out the pin of the towing coupling. Note: get a colleague to help. He holds the bumper in position while you unscrew the 4 mounting bolts. Each person takes one side of the bumper and lifts it out of the mounting.